Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn yoga at home step by step. Starting your home yoga journey is simpler than you might think. First, find a peaceful spot in your home where you have ample space to stretch and move. Next, gather a few basic items, like a comfortable yoga mat and some flexible clothing. Begin with short, 15-minute sessions, perhaps 3 or 4 times each week, to build a consistent habit. This gentle start will help you ease into the practice and discover its many benefits. Once you have your space set up, it is time to explore some fundamental yoga poses. Start with widely recognized postures like downward-facing dog, mountain pose, and warrior one. Focus on proper alignment. Many online resources and apps offer excellent visual guidance. Remember to synchronize your movements with your breath, practicing deep, conscious breathing, often called Ujjayi breath. This connection between breath and movement is a cornerstone of a fulfilling yoga practice. As you become more comfortable, consider gradually extending your practice sessions. You might increase from 50 minutes to 30 or even 45 minutes over several weeks. Feel free to explore various yoga styles, such as Hatha, Vinyasa, or Restorative, to discover what resonates most with you. Always prioritize listening to your body. Modify poses if necessary to ensure comfort and prevent any strain or injury. This mindful approach fosters sustainable growth. Consistency is truly key to reaping the full benefits of yoga. Even a short, 10-minute daily practice can make a significant difference over time. You will likely begin to notice enhanced flexibility, increased physical strength, and a greater sense of mental calm and clarity. Remember to celebrate every small achievement along your path. Embrace the journey of self-discovery and well-being that a regular home yoga practice offers, enriching both your body and mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.